magpasalamat tayo. Pasalamat tamo nung itamo daralantang kasakitan. Muling ikapamilatan ng kasakitan, kanita tamo titibe at akit tayo ng tunay dalan at katatuan at kanita tamo milalapit ng Apong Iru. Ang difficulties, sufferings, let's always face what the Lord is telling us right now.
Worthy of it all.
These are challenges. That's why we have to prepare. We have to pray. Kuling stung ekamengadi. Ang ganang nano pang preparasyon hinggawan mo. You will not progress and you will not really get what you want. Because allow the Lord to work for us. Istong tang challenges in life, you tell the Lord, Gino, ika ng balak kinbiye ko, hanggang nano pang preparasyon hinggawan mi, nung ala ka Kenny, kaya maging matagumpe, ikay kaming kapagsadya.
Only you are worthy, worthy of it all.
So that in times of sufferings and difficulties, maging matibet tamo ikasalpantayanan and will be happy really listening to the Word of God and put it into our personal life.
175 is a milestone year. And we, the Apaliteños, have all the reasons to be jubilant. We celebrate because we are thankful for the blessings we receive. Today is the last day of the 3-day celebration of our Fiestang Apalit. The ultimate aspiration of the Executive Committee is to share the joys of our Fiestang Balen everyone. As Apaliteños, our cultural identity has been shaped by our devotion to our patrons. Promises even greater blessings for the Apaliteños. This year, the 2019 Fiestang Balen has been tagged as the Fiesta ng Memalen, the Fiesta of the People. In doing so, it has also taken this extraordinary opportunity to inspire our Kabalen here and abroad to a deeper devotion to our patrons, Apung Iru and Apung Ambu, and for the young, understanding of the depth of our devotion. To our incoming chairman of the next festivity, I now present to you this key, a symbol of the extraordinary honor and responsibility that comes with leading the Executive Committee. May this symbolize your binding commitment to sincerely lead by example and work tirelessly towards truly meaningful celebrations next year.
Go in peace to love and serve the Lord. Viva Apung Ambu! Viva Apung Iru! Viva Apung Ambu! Viva Apung Iru!